Howdy there, my mandolin playing friend, and welcome back. This week we are taking another look at the tune Steel Guitar Rag. Last week we checked out Tiny's solo that he played on the Merle Haggard Birthday Tapes version of Steel Guitar Rag, but this week I thought we'd strip it back a bit and just learn the plain melody to this tune in case you wanted to take this one to your local jam session or record the next hit version of it or something like that. So this version of the tune is pretty close to what Leon McAuliffe plays on the steel guitar, but naturally I've had to modify some things to make them a little more mandolinistic on this one, right? Also, another note, if you are a 4-string or an 8-string mandolin player, never fear. There are a couple notes on this one that utilize that low C string just because I had it there, but I'll be posting an alternate version of the tablature and sheet music to this tune on my website just in case you don't have a low C string. Before we go ahead and dive into the breakdown to this tune, if you wouldn't mind subscribing to this channel and liking this video, that's a great way to keep more Tiny More Tuesday and other content headed your way in the future. Also, leave me a comment below and let me know if you like these videos or if there are any other videos that you'd like to see on my channel. I am here to help you along your mandolin and guitar journey, so I definitely want to keep this relevant. Alright my friends, I've posted a link below in the description for a free tablature to this tune, so be sure to click that link and follow along with the video lesson. Thanks so much for watching, and let's head into the breakdown.